Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video, we're actually going to be coding a backpack plugin for my Minecraft server for Everplay. This is going to be, it's not really a tutorial, this will be a video for coding from the start to finish. Before this video starts, I'd like to say that this should not be followed for a tutorial, mainly because of me using the Foreverplay API. Which our API is not public to anyone. I have a mic issue. Test. Oh, wait. Let me try something. I want to make sure it doesn't echo. There we go. Like an electrical hum. Oh. How's that? Yeah, we're not starting those damn links today. Let's see. It's mainly where I have my mic turned up so much. I'm just trying to figure out what I need to set it to. High-pitched whine, that'd be the server rack in the background. I can't really fix that part. Let me check my filters and make sure they're working. Yeah, that's all working. So I don't actually know how to fix the noise in the background, so apologies for that. Nothing I can do about it. My GPU is a GTX 1650. That's what the GPU is. Let me pause that. And we will go ahead and start making a project. We need to make a Maven project. We'll use the MNS version of Spigot. There's a proper definition of what the thing was called. You could show me how to fix it later. Awesome. Yeah, I'll have to fix it later. So we'll just call it backpack. And we'll just finish that. I'm gonna go in here and steal some stuff from the repository in dependencies, because I don't feel like tracking all of it down. And we'll just paste all that in. Let's see. I don't think I need Vault. Wait, that's the Spigot Maven. I don't need that. Actually, yeah, that is Vault. So I can remove placeholder API because I also don't need that, and I don't need Vault. So here we got our API that we're going to be using to save the player data. It's weird though. Your usual videos don't have that. Yes, so where I imported everything over, I didn't do it properly, which is probably why. I've also been messing with the sensitivity on my mic. So let me actually just do this. Alright, how's that? Because I'm having issues hearing it. Oh. Maybe if I turn that up. And then turn that down. My server rack needs to be replaced. That's one thing I need to do. Oh, too much. I don't think it's your sensitivity, I think it's your gate and or suppression. Well, if I go and look at the properties, the noise suppression is set to the RN noise. So it's using more CPU usage. That's what I have it set to. Do you a favor? What is your favor? I need to unmute that. Try and plug it and replug it in your mic. Got it. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Alright, how does that sound? Oh, that's loud. Alright. Nope. Still there. I don't know. Let me know if, well, when you're done, and I'll try to help you fix it. Yeah. I do know I was messing with the, oh, what was it called? The sensitivity. Because, like, when I was messing with the sensitivity, people were having issues on Discord hearing me. Alright. On OBS, it, like, shows that, people can't hear me very good. That's why I'm just trying to figure out where to set this. Alright. Let me mute that now. Okay, let's continue. People are messaging me. Spam. Okay. So we've imported our API. I need to pause that. Now, if we go and create the actual class in the package. World, we'll name it Backpack. There we go. We'll extend this to a Java plugin. Alright, import that. Need a public void on enable. Oh. And then we need the on disable method. This basically activates when the plugin is first enabled and disabled. That's what this is. So we'll save that. We will create, well, no, we won't create. We'll just, let's see, where did it go? We'll just steal this. We'll create a new package. Call it utils. And then paste this in there. We need to get the instance of the main class. Oh. So if we come here, private instance. Let me just make sure that's right. It needs to be a static. I know, so it needs to be the name of the plugin thing. Private static, and then backpack, And after that, we've got the instance right here. Go back over here and take a look at our thing. We will need this. Above it, right? Yeah, above it. And then we need to do this, if I could spell it right, this dot instance equals this. And that should get the instance of the plugin. I believe that's right. Instance equals this. My bad. I had it right the first time. Okay, so instance equals this. That gets the instance. So if we come in here, we can change this to backpack. I just like can't spell. What is the program you're using? I am using Eclipse. Of course, you can use IntelliJ, which, I mean, personally, I prefer Eclipse more than anything. I know there's a lot of people that say you can get add-ons for IntelliJ to automatically add all this in, which, I mean, I don't really care about. I'll do it myself because I feel like it. Alright. So for a placeholder, we'll just have this here. In case I forget to remove it, we'll just have a config.yml. Obviously, we probably won't be using this. Let's see. We'll just name that config file. Because we're going to be having a couple names thrown around like config, config.yml, you know, stuff like that. We don't want to confuse the names. We then want to make a player config, which what we're going to do is we're going to have it set for the player UUID. How do you learn to code? I self-taught myself and also had a lot of help from the current developer in my server. So thanks to him, he also helped me out. He coded the entire API that this plugin is going to be based off of. So what we're wanting to do is we're going to need the player data. That should have been a capital D. So we're going to have this player data equals, if I can space that out, and have it new files. Inside that, we're going to get the backpack instance dot get instance config name will have to be the player UUID, so we'll have to mess around with that. Okay. So set location. Oh wait. Yeah, I forgot the new. We want to make a new one. So dot set location. The reason we put the commas right here, yeah, quotations, not commas, quotations. The reason we leave the quotations there is because we don't want it to set a location. And then we'll just type dot build. So what this does right here, let's say you wanted to have a specific file, we would do data / and then what that does is it'll put all of the player data files that it creates into a data folder. And so what we need to do now is probably should change this to generate files. All right. We need to now figure out how we're going to get the player UUID. The reason we're using a UUID is because they don't change. As you can do the player name, they change it, they would lose all their stuff. We need to do it properly, so we need to get the UUID. So, how do we do that? Well, we come up here and pass an argument for the player. So, we will do... Actually, we will need to comma this out. So, player, that will get the player that is passed in when we call this event. Or not event, but when we call this function. And then we will do player.get unique ID. That'll get the UUID, and we'll pass it to a string. So let's actually cast this. Why does that not work? Cannot cast from UUID to string. Got it. So we will just convert it to a string. Dot to string. So that fixes that right there. We need to also add a plus because we want to also include the extension to .yml. Now we've got the config for every player. Let's see. I'm going to be piggybacking off my own, or some of my coding. Not all of it is mine, obviously. I did have help. So let's go into the emotes utils, where I made the emotes plugin. And let's see. I need to find what the proper way to get it was. I guess it doesn't matter. So I think we're good right here. Let's go ahead and create a command for the GUI. So that's what we'll do. So we will create a package. We'll call it class, or not class. What do we need to call it? We'll call it the GUI, because we only need one of them. We'll then add a class, backpack GUI, going very strong with the capital names. And we'll implement probably just not spelled that right. Implements inventory holder, I believe. Implements. Why can I just not spell this right? I wish I could spell this right. I spelled it right for this, didn't I? No, extends. That's okay. I was close. So if we now import this, the backpack GUI, add on implemented methods, we can now get the inventory. So first we need to now create the inventory. So dot create inventory. We'll set the inventory holder to this. The size will be, let's see. So if we actually come into here, we'll do it a very tricky method. That was loud. Let me go over here. So as you see, we have a 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do a 9 times 6. That'll give us what we need. 9 times 6, that'll give us our inventory GUI that we need. So this will create the inventory. I think we could pass another one to set the title. We can. And let's go ahead and make a utils file. So if we create a class, call it utils. We will actually go ahead and, let's see. I know we need to go into here. We need to cast that. I'm thinking. Because we need to have a way to call it. So if we do that, this needs to be utils. What is it complaining? Import this. So if we come back up here, let's take a look. So this is where it calls the config. That's good. We don't need that right now. We'll need to actually also set up the file storage in the process, so we might as well do that. Go ahead and import that. We need to go back to the main. We will copy these. And just put it down here under the disable method. File storage just needs to be named to utils. Oh, get utils. Now, if we did that right, we should be able to come over here. And, wait, there's a better way to do it too. I need to go to the utils on the emotes plugin. I need to remember what I was doing. That'd be nice. So we're here. We need to import the utils. So we should be able to just do backpack.getUtils, right? Let's find out. We can. Utils dot and that. Yeah, we'll just comma that out right there. Oh. Put it right there. Obviously, this is not going to do anything. It's dead code because we're not calling a method. So we'll do a color method. Public void color. We'll pass in a string message. Now, if we do that, we will call in our API. So we need to, let me think. Forever play API dot get message utils dot get color. We will pass in the message. We actually can now do a return method. Return that. Fix the public string. My bad. Not public void. So if we do that, now we can come over here to the backpack. We need to backpack GUI. And if we do dot color, oh, damn it. Come on. We can then pass in our string. So we can remove that, come up here. Paste that in. Now we can use the color codes. So, at the backpacks. That L. Backpack. We can then save that, and now it'll automatically convert the and symbol to the double S symbol, which is what the color codes are dependent on in Minecraft. So now we can do that. Like I said, the API is mainly doing all the hard work. Alright. Let me check on the actual API. If I'm not mistaken, yes, okay. So there is actually player data. There is already an implemented method. Though, I don't know if I should use it. So let's come back up here to the file storage. We'll copy this right here. Oh, wait. We don't want that space. So we'll copy this, we'll comment this out. So if we do this dot config equals rubber play API dot, we want to get, maybe it's this right here. Dot, it has player file. Load player data right there. We'll change that to player. Dot get unique ID. Damn it. Get unique ID. Oh. Okay. This is going to be very, very annoying. So, get player dot it is not like that. Why is that? Dot to string dot get unique ID. Is it like that? It is not like that. Wow. So I don't think that's going to work anyway. So we'll keep what we have. There's probably definitely a better way to do this. But that's quite alright. We will work with what we got. Nyland, hello and welcome to the stream. I'm very slow on reading chat today. So now that we have the generate files, we'll probably call this whenever the backpack GUI is created. So, let's see. No, we need to not do that. We also need to return the inventory. Let me look at the emotes GUI. Let's see how I did that one. So, oh, that's why. Because I need to pass this. So when we pass that, we can actually return the GUI when we call the method. So we don't have to do any forkery around everything. So then we can just return the inventory. Now with that said, we've got the GUI being created. But what about the items? We need to get the items. So, now we are going to do a for loop. So, or a for each. So let me see. We need to get the file storage. So you actually need to rename that to this. Wait. We'll comment that out. That way so we still have that there when we need it. Because we'll probably be needing that sooner or later. So if we come back over to the GUI, we will get the main backpack class dot get file storage dot player data. Is it not like that? What is it complaining about? Let's see. I'm trying to remember. So if we go to the main class, get the file storage is here. Dot generate files. Oh. Hold up. Let's go to the unedited version. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have an issue already. Ah, boy. We need to generate files. Files will be player. Of course, we need to create it up here. Player. So when we get the inventory, we'll pass in the player that typed in the command. We'll just create an abstract. That's the easiest way to do that. So now that we get the player, we can now get the data. Remove that. Let's see. If dot get file dot player data Oh, because I'm doing this wrong. Hold up. I'm doing this wrong. Like, really wrong. Forget I said that. We need to go to the utils. We need to actually get the file this way. So, yes, we were getting it horrifically wrong. We will just copy that, and we will bring it up to the utils. So the utils should actually be managing this. We will remove that. We can remove that. This is where we create the config. What is it? Okay. So if we then change that to player data, the capital D, we then get the config. Player data. So, hey pedo, could you like stay out of my chat, please? Thank you. I'm not dealing with your nasty, horrific links. And monster spam. Okay. So if we now get the player data, we now need to make sure that we actually get everything. So we will be getting the config. So let's see. Public string data. We will pass in a string and then the UUID. We will do config. Are we able to do the for each? No, we can't. Dot. Hey Walt, I've actually got to go, but I just wanted to say hello. Hello, Forever Play Lover. Welcome to the stream, and have a good day, I guess. So, I'm doing the config roll. I've got to figure out the way to do the config. This is pretty much normal for me. We'll figure it out. I need to find a way to get the player config. We don't need that. We can close that. We can close this. The utils. We don't need this. We don't need this. Oh, how wrong I was. Alright, so if I just save that, we'll come back over the GUI right here. We'll do that. So, we'll do it right here then. We'll get the player inventory. We'll create the inventory. And then, inventory dot add item. The item will be the item stack. We will create items right there. So we will add items. We need to get the player data from the config or from the data folder. So let's go back to the file storage. Are we able to pass an argument in here? We need to get a player. So we'll do the get files. We'll do that. Come to the GUI. Dot get files. We'll get the player. Dot get unique ID. Dot to string. Actually, let's just change it to that. We changed that to that. UUID. And then it'll automatically... Oh, damn it. This damn insert button. So now we can do it like that, which will be a lot better. So it'll still get the UUID, but it'll also still convert it to a string. We don't need that anymore. So this, in theory, should get the player data. So let's see. Before we create the inventory, we want to ensure that we set the player data to the person we're getting the inventory for. So we set it to that specific person. We then want to come in here and say, let's see. Well, damn, that's still an issue because it's creating it. So if does not equal null, we will then do well. No, let's just figure out what happens here. I know this is definitely not right. Definitely not right. But we do need to make sure if the file is there, then we don't want to build it. If this dot file is not equal to null, then we will return. Or, yeah. We've got that. I need to figure this out. I might have to call in some backup. This is basically what I go through every day. I try and figure out how to code this. And if it doesn't work, well, it sucks to be me. I gotta figure out it anyway. So right here we've defined the player data. This right here will be null until we set it. If we come over... Target them up GUI. That's what adds everything into the GUI. So, let me think. If we open the GUI, it'll create the inventory. That's great and all. But what about the items? Just realized I was in the server. Hello, slime stars. I didn't know you could play Minecraft Java on VR. That's lit. Ow. That was loud. Alright. Let me turn the audio down, because that loud punch sound, that was really loud. Also, yeah, I just found out that we have a custom URL on YouTube. Instead of typing /C, we could just type /WildMaster84. Good to know. It's actually pointed out to me. Ew. I opened Discord and I seen something very disturbing. Gross. Anywho, stream's doing okay. 47 minutes in and done absolutely nothing. We're doing pretty good for ourselves. Anywho, those villagers are going to get annoying. So, we will leave the server. We need to add every damn item, but we need to get to config. How do we get to config? Well, I'm glad you asked. Oh, wait a minute. So, I think I might have figured something out here. So if I was to do that, so dot get files. We'll get the UUID. We need these under it so it knows what the data is. So that way we can get the player data now. Let's say that it didn't exist. It'll create it. If it's null, well, if it isn't null, then, well, it doesn't do anything. Obviously, it doesn't need to do nothing. Equals. Alright, what are you whining about? Dot get file. Oh, wait. We need to get the player data file. What's the best way to do that? No, we're just looking at this the wrong way. Get file? I'm like trying to figure this out here. What if we don't build it? We could always do that. Good God, why was that so hard? Okay. So if we actually put it up here, and let's say it's equals null, like the file does not exist, well, it'll skip this, it'll come down here and create the file. And then we've got the data. This is exactly what we were needing. Got it. Okay, so, we will then get the config. So config dot get list. Oh, damn it. Okay. So, let me see here. Something defines emotes list. What defines emote list? This right here. We'll add this into the utils like a normal person. Backpack items. Come back up here. Let's check file storage. No. We need the actual original file storage. We're backstepping. So we actually need to get the player data. Player data. And then from there we can get from, let's see. If we take a look at our config for the emotes, emotes.yml, this is what it is. So we have emotes, and then we have all the items listed like this. So, what we need to do is change that to items. No. No, I'm doing this wrong. Emotes. So we need to change that to item dot let's see, in the file storage we do that, so we'll just set the item. Okay, so it should be able to just set where what inventory the item is in. If not, we'll have to change this around. So if we do that, we need to then go back into this and still this, paste it in. Wait, what? I'll just do that. Oh, yeah. Dot. There we go. We'll just import the main. What? Oh, good God. Okay. Fine. Have it your way. Ah! I did something wrong. That's the emote utils. That is a horrible mess I created. Yeah, it needs to be in here. Let's see. It needs to be a public void. Okay. If you insist. We'll just do it in this. Because I'm a lazy person. So, the backpack. I'm going to import the class, obviously. We can leave that file. player, get that, player data. There we go. Now it'll return the list. So, let's see. I can then do this. Come up here. And actually, we can just now paste this in. So, backpack get utils dot player data dot what? Oh, backpack items. My bad. And then if we do the list dot for each, we will then do item. Did I do that right? Yep. And then for each item, we will add it to the inventory. Add item, and an item will equal item. Inventory to final. Add item. Item stack. Wow, this is just not working for me. Also, did I not need to config? Did I just do that for no reason? Oh, hold up. I'm definitely doing something wrong here. So we actually need to build an item stack for each item. Item stack. Item equals item dot wait. New item stack. We'll import that. Not visible. I don't care if it's visible. We need to add a way to save it to the file. Item dot get data. We need to make an item stack. I can iterate it to an item stack. Alright. So we'll actually replace the for loop. Inventory dot add item. And then marked up bucket material. What is the value? Oh, I knew that. Okay, I knew that. So, item, hold on. I need to change this to item stack. I knew that. I knew that. And I'll do that. Yeah, item stack. This is where I need to create the item stack. Actually, no. No. Anyone have any ideas on this? Because I'm losing my mind. I need to build an item stack from a string. So, let's see, build item stack from string. To make an item stack, you need to have the material and the amount. Got that. So, yes, I've got that. So if I, let me just paste this in real fast. And material string. Yep. Item stack equals item stack. So, item stack, item equals new item stack. This will be a list, comma 1 for the stack. Oh. Alright, so we could do that. Oh, my bad. Wrong place. So I'll do that. Oh, damn it. I did it again. New item stack item equals item. Change that to material then. Get rid of that. Hold up. What? Oh. So if I do that. Let's paste that in. No, wrong one. I need that. Material. Why the hell won't you copy? Valart. Hello, welcome to stream. I am losing my brain cells. Windows 11 sucks at copying. So if I import the material, material that matches item. So this should get the material. So, get material. What? Oh my lord. What the hell do you think it is? Of course it is. We need to add that to a list, don't we? List string. There we go. I do that every day when I go to school and at home when I play team-based video games. Yeah. So that fixes that. List it for each item. Whatever. I'll fix that right there. M. So that should return the thing. If we change that to a capital I now, it should now add items from the config. That's all great and all, but let me think, because we still gotta save the items, and we still gotta get the item stack, because we don't have the item stack. Well, we don't right now. So, what's the best way to do it? Obvious. We'll do it with, let's see, a listener. So we will implement a listener. So we will do public on inventory close event. Inventory close. Inventory close event. Event. We'll then do that. We will have to, wait. Public void. Add the event handler override. Alright, now we need to import the inventory close event. We then want to get all the items in the inventory. So event.get inventory.get storage contents. Yeah. So this right here will get everything in the inventory. Excuse me. So let's just put that right there so I don't lose it. We need to actually copy this now. We actually need to copy all that right there. We need all three of those lines. Otherwise, we won't know what player we're trying to get. So we will add player equals event.get who clicked. Get. Oh, well, we could just get player then. Okay. I guess it's not a click event anyway. Oh, my bad. We'll do it like that. What? Oh, okay. So we'll do a human entity. Now that we got the player, we can now get the data. We will need this right here, which gets the content of the inventory. So we will do fig dot. Oh, wait, hold up. Don't. Is there a way? Does this pass it off as an array? Let me check this. It will represent the entire armor or result slots. It is these content, so I was reading that, which will be used to add / contains remove methods which look for a specific stack. Inventory storage content individual items may be null. Got it. So what happens if we add it to a string? Oh. Dot. For each. Oh, no, never mind. It's not going to work like that for me, sadly. So we'll do the config dot set. Oh. Set string. What? Oh, I was right. We'll do that. Yeah, we got to convert that string to string. And the config we want to save. So yeah, I think that's right. Unless we got to change that to the file. Let me check. Emote utils, I believe. Oh. I'm definitely doing this wrong then. Oh wait. Hold up. I set it. Save. You know, we'll just copy that. I'm gonna try and save the file. And then in theory, we save the config file. Now, we obviously don't want to save this every time we open or close an inventory. So we'll get the instance. If dot get inventory is instance instance of get instance, then we will do that. What? I don't understand what you're whining about. Because you gotta get the damn thing. Like, that's the whole fucking reason I have you, so you can get the instance. So no shit you're not defined, because you're not even in this class. Oh my lord. It's gonna be one of these days. Like, I don't understand why it's trying to get the instance of this class. What does get method do? Okay. Okay. So it's trying to add it as a boolean. Dot. What is this? Dot. Get inventory. Does this work, or is this just gonna break every damn thing? Probably gonna break every damn thing. So let me think. We need to get the instance of the GUI. So let me go back to this. What did I do for this? Should be in the events. Ah. So instance of. Got it. Okay. So if I go here, just replace this. Seriously? You didn't even copy. Whatever. Dot. Inventory dot get holder is instance of this. Well, is instance of backpack GUI. Return. We obviously want to do that. Because we want to return it, but isn't an instance of it. Oh, what are you whining about? Okay. So now in theory, if, of course, we register the event. So let's go back. Let's go to this one. We need to register event. So we'll still this. We will come here. Unenable at that. Backpack GUI. Import it. The type backpack. Why the hell not? I don't understand. What is so different from the emote GUI right here? Or, for example, events. What is so different? Nothing. There's nothing different. What if we go back to the main class and take a look at this? So that registers the class. I believe it is the instance that it was looking for on that. And it gets the instance. So, why is it not wanting to work? Okay, what if I just did this? I think that might be why. This dot that. No. Maybe I'm missing something. So, events. We've got an events method right here. If I go to the events, is there a method in here called events? There's not. So, Hush. Hush. Oh, Lord. There goes my cat. One moment. Alright, sorry about that. Now, let me take a drink real fast. I need to think. Why is it not wanting to get the event? Let's see. Maybe because I didn't do the event properly. So, come to events. Let's see. Event handler. We've got it at the top right here. Implement listener. That's right. We'll come to this. We've got that. String key. Oh. So, yeah. Just wanting to create that. I don't see why it would not want to work. This is seriously confusing. What if we just did this, done this? Does that do anything? Obviously not. You slimy son of a... How big is this stream? What do you mean? What do you mean by how big? Are you meaning how long it's going to take, or... Okay. Still does not like that. Let me actually look this up real fast. Since class array, what? Since the type parameter not class or array. Can this people not type shit, or am I just like going insane? type parameter. What? That makes no sense. Let's see. Is it creating a listener on the emotes? No, it's not creating a listener, so that's not right either. It implements the listener. Gosh. So, I'm like confused here. Because when I look this up, it gives me the exact same damn thing I have. Although I'm not creating the listener in the main class. I guess I will now because I'm not going to be putting up with this anymore. Also, let me undo that. And I can just close that. So, maybe because I need to do that. Is that it? Is that the issue? Backpack UI. Yeah, we'll just do it in here. Okay. So we will come to this and just rip this out. We won't need it. Come back over here, just paste it in. Should import everything just fine. Alright. Now, we just remove this. We don't need to implement the listener. Now if we do that and save, we now need to add the command that we will run to open the backpacks. So, the best way to do that is a way that I don't know yet. Let me open the chat. So, that said, let's see. Let's go ahead and create a new class. I'll go ahead and close all this that I don't need. Do I need that? I don't. I don't need that or that. We will create a new class in the utils. We'll call it the command. And now we need to get this. Obviously, this is definitely not the way to go, but we're going with it. So, we'll just do this. Paste that in. Command. Public class. I mean, that is what I did, isn't it? It is. Whatever. Okay, so description. Okay, yeah. Then from there, we will have it open the GUI. So sender that it's not even a player. Fuck. What if I just did this? Dot. I don't think it likes that. Equals. No. Player P equals sender. Ow. My toothpick stabbed through me. So I'll add a cast to player. That should fix that. So P dot open inventory. Ouch. We'll then do the backpack GUI. Dot. Hold up. Did I do this wrong? I bet I did this wrong. Let me see here. What GUI? Okay, so this is right. Or at least my thing is. And if I go back to the main class, where I have the original command, that's where I'm screwing up. So, oh, almost screwed up again. I need to do that. Backpack GUI. I equals a new backpack GUI. I don't need the player. I don't think I do. What the hell? Also close that. What? I don't have a GUI right there. Oh. 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 Oops. Well, I do now. Okay. That works, I guess. Whatever. And then I guess we'll just put P if it works. See, I don't understand why this is not working. What the hell? Maybe I just need to add a damn static. Is that my issue? Let's just add a static. I don't need that. Get that shit out of here. So GUI. And we'll do GUI dot get inventory. We'll pass to P for player. And there we go. Okay, that fixed my issue. Now, and let's see. Return true. What, is that right? Hold up. I'm thinking. Yeah, that's right. Wait. I also need that. So, blue. That was so it doesn't screw anything up. We need to create the plugin at YML. Come up here, paste that in. We will do backpacks. Need to add an API version of 1.18 because the server is very needy. Backpack. We need to make sure the Forever Play API is loaded first. Change this to backpack. Put, oh damn, BP. All right. Open backpack menu. We then need to register the command within the main class. So if you come back over here, craft server, new remote, blah, blah, blah. Put that on enable. Well, what if I just did this? Yeah. BP. Ouch. Yep. Port that. Doesn't like that. Change that to public. My bad. What's that here? Alright. So let's build the plugin and find out if it works or not. Da, 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 da. Backpack. Finish. I will start up the test server real fast. And we will see if the plugin works or if it was just a waste of time and we gotta restart from scratch. Hopefully we don't got to. Alright. So, if we refresh, I don't know how he's still online. And we do BP, kernel error occurred. Command.gy is null. What? Hold up. Line 24 in the command.java. Right here. Why is it null? How is it null? Because I didn't set it. Oops. So backpack GUI pack equals new. Backpack GUI and then close that. But why? Why is this still not working? Oh, god damn it. Okay, so we need to go to here. We add that in. It's new. So backpack GUI. Is it happy? No, it's still fucking pissed. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay. So. It's like having issues with the instance, apparently. Not. Is it not like that? It does not. Get instance. Okay. Let's do something else then. Let's get the backpack GUI from the main class. Because the main class is the only thing that's wanting to bloody work. So, we'll do that. Backpack GUI. Backpack GUI. It will import the class. Oh, fuck, it's... Names matter. And it is annoying. So, if I do that. Damn it. Copy. Why won't you copy? Get backpack. GUI. Now, if we come back over here, no. We need commands. So, backpack dot get. What the hell? Import. Import. What? Well, you still don't like that, so what the hell's the difference? Get backpack GUI. Oh, I fucked it up. That's why. Get backpack GUI. No, if I come back over here. Can't be resolved as a type. Well, it's already defined. I don't need a new one, I guess, then. Try that then. Maybe that'll fix our issues. Alright. Hey, it's supposed, is it supposed to be able to piggyback on other people? What do you mean? What do you mean by piggyback on other people? Return value of get backpack GUI is null. Hop on and see spawn and you'll understand. Oh, yeah, you're able to do that. That's normal. That's one of the plugins we have. Alright. The return value of get backpack GUI is null. I don't understand why it's null. I'm gonna go to this right here. Ah, that might be why. Okay. Also, I need to do that. My bad. Oh, get files. My bad. My bad. My bad. Get files. We'll put it to null. Well, no, we don't actually need that. Because when we call it, is when it needs to create everything. Oh. So on the backpack GUI, we get the config. When we get the config, it'll automatically check if everything is there or not. If not, then it will create a new one. If list dot is empty, and we will have it return yeah, we'll just have it return the inventory. Alright. Yeah. That way so it doesn't continue. If it's not empty, it'll completely skip this and it'll keep going. So wait. I just realized something. If list is not empty, then we'll do that. That's the best way to do it. The optimal way to do it. I know the developer that works for me, he won't be happy if he would have seen that. Not at all. So if I come back to Minecraft and reload, and then type slash BP. No, because get backpack is still no. Return value of me.wild.backpack.getBackpack GUI is null. Why is it still null? God damn it. Because I still never initialized it. Okay. So, if I was to do this properly, and I just don't fuck it up, then it'll work. It'll just work. But I don't understand why it just does not want to work. Why can't you do it? Like, give me some more fucking explanations and just say, yeah, can't do it, and just go on. I'm gonna hop off for a bit. Then get back. Alright, see Ace. Just going to continue going insane and figure out what the fuck this isn't working. What is different between this phone and the other fucking phones? So, god damn it. Public class. This isn't an abstract, it's a normal class. So, if we go to, I think it was the emote GUI. No, target GUI. We need target GUI. No. I need to remember which one had every damn thing. Because without... Got it. I'll just have to set that then. See, people are just watching the stream, seeing all the scripts that I have, but they just don't say anything. Get player. Get player. Oh, wait. No. No. User. We gotta use user. Things are conflicting. Wait, what? Target user GUI. Need to change this to user. Here's just the player. No. Player, not whatever the hell that was. User, get player. Or get user. Public player dot get user. Now I can get rid of this. User. Alright. Now we can do that. Wait, what? I knew that. And what's this? We can remove that. We can also remove this. We don't need that. We'll go back in the GUI. So we'll do this. Houston, we may have a problem. We'll do it in the on command. How about that? And then we'll do P. We'll import. Wait. Give me that. Oh, damn it. Copy it. I want you to copy it. Not just poof out of existence. So if I add that. Backpack GUI. That. Okay. Things are working out for us. Look at this. And in theory, it should now properly do the GUI. So to go back to Minecraft, type /reload one more time. And then /BP. Another internal error occurred. See what it was this time. The get utils is null. Get utils. My bad. So that is when we create the GUI. So the get utils, that would be that. Okay. Utils equals new utils. That fixes that problem. Now it'll properly change the text and everything. Finish, damn it. Reload again. Just common mistakes, that's all. Can I please type reload, damn it? Alright. Oh, what now? Player data is null. Well, no fucking shit. That's why you're checking. That's why you're checking to see if it's null. Fucking moron. Backpack items. That would be in the backpack GUI. So what we can do for that then is we can do that. Copy this. We'll do a try method. So try that. I'd probably do that. What? Okay, whatever. Catch method. We'll do the null pointer exception. Let's see, error thing. I'm gonna do just return. Oh, for God's sake. Return the fucking inventory. Alright. So, that should fix that problem now. Now if we reload, once again, it, in theory, should give us a GUI. MVP, it does. Put this in there. Does it save? It does not. Because config is null. Well, config is null. So we need to go back here. Config should not be null. Let's see. Oh. We're getting that. That's another oopsie on my part. Do that. And then, yeah. It does not like that. Okay. Now, try that. Save that. Let's reload. Let's make this a little bit bigger, because I'm having issues saying this. Okay. Let me change game mode to creative. BP, close it. Config is null. Still null. Is it not creating the file? It's not. And I might know why. Let me actually go to the project right here. So if I go here, I got to go to the workspace. We need the backpack, src, main, Java. We need to create the data folder. And we also need to initialize it. Okay. So yeah, it needs to create the player data when it runs the command. Let's see how it does that here. Alright, so it does it right there. We'll do this. Obviously, I need to add the parameters or parameters again. It should be this. So, file storage. File storage. import this. Wait, I fucked up. I did. My bad. Dot get files. What is it? Dot. Oh, damn it. Dot get unique ID. It'll then create the config files if needed. And let's see if that fixes the issue. It, in theory, should be creating the folder. And it hasn't been creating the folder. Like, there should be a backpack folder, and there's not. So, what if we just manually create it? And then just call this data. And it should fix the issue. So if I reload one more time. And we type backpack. File storage is null. So. My bad. I don't need that. So in theory, it should create the folder now. Is there a folder? There's not. It's not creating the folder. Why is it not creating the folder? Is it doing the dot build? It's not. My bad. I didn't do dot build. Alright. Did that fix the issue? Also, I don't remember if I had to reload the server, but I'm going to reload it again. So there's no file. Big BP. The embedded source, and it cannot be found. So it definitely fixed that. Obviously, it can't be found in the jar file because we kind of can't do that. We might have an issue. Let me see if my builder's online. He's not online. Also not builder dev. This might be an issue. Okay. Definitely set myself up to fail there. With the power of NMS, which is what this project was based off of. We can, however, dynamically update the jar file. Of course, it's going to be tricky because I don't know what I need to look for. But in theory, it should work. And I need to think how I'm going to do it. Dot. It has to be dot build. Ah, damn. Let me see if I can find a way around this. Excuse me. So, let's see. Maybe if I do... Let me try something. I haven't tried this yet, but we will try it. Not here. Damn it. Plugin manager dot get plugin this if possible. Dot, oh, for God's sake. Dot, oh, damn it. Stop with your auto fucking stuff. Save resource. So I don't know if this will work, but it's worth a try. Oh, damn it. So data slash that, and then that. Why? Oh. Okay. So if I try and replace it with this, what? Interesting. I'm probably still doing this wrong anyway. Oh, that's great. Oh, I love this comment. Well, what are you going on about? He's using it to make sure his file is definitely contained within his jar. Because he used a decompiler on his own plugin. So as you could see, like, to see if it has the file or not. And the guy tried to make a jab at him, complaining about it. Like, no shit, it's not to compile it. It's a decompiler. Like, no shit. Why did you think it could compile the coding? Like, this is when people have no fucking clue what they're talking about, but are just jumping into the conversation. See, us developers from Spicked, we don't like when people do this. Like, if you don't know what the fuck you're talking about, don't jump in the conversation. God, it's so stupid. Oh, Lord. Okay. So the issue is, obviously, it needs to be created in the plugin at YML. There's probably a way to do it. So let me just create the YML and see if it stops complaining. Because, like, we need to get moving. That's what we need to do. So if I open this back up, we need to go. Oh, wait. I can just do this. I'll create a new text document. We'll do that. Yes. Rename it. Got it. So if I rebuild this now. Okay. Oh, whoops. I need to undo that. My bad. Oh, if the developers see me doing this, oh, it wouldn't be pretty. They would be so mad. Because there's so many things that I'm not doing properly with this. So, if I do that and do BP, internal error occurred. It is in the folder. Do I not have it in the proper thing? Oh, whoops. Refresh. There we go. So if we try that again. And reload. I like how it just instantly put me into survival and then creative again. So, yes, that definitely fixed that. If I do that, it saves it. And if I open it again, then that happens. What is going on here? I might have screwed something up. Ugh. Oh no. I think I realized what I did. It's resetting the whole file multiple times. Oh no. Where is it? Oh, I'm not ready to see what this is. How bad is it? Oh, it isn't even saving. Why isn't it saving? Okay. So could not pass event, inventory close event to backpack, event exception. So if we come to the main class right here, it's where we have everything saving. It's right here. This is not right. Get file storage is not right. Yeah. Yeah, definitely not right. What did we have for this? We had this. So yeah, I don't know why I did that. What was I thinking? Got the player data. So if I export this and just wipe my entire console so I can see, and we go back to Minecraft and reload. Of course, we can give ourselves a new item to save. And that, we can close it, open it again, still does not save. Does it at least save the item the first time? Is what I'm mainly concerned about. No, it doesn't even attempt to save. Hash map. Bitch, I ain't even using a hash map. So where the hell you getting a hash map? Why would I be using a hash map? Why would I use a hash map? I don't understand. It's not what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I guess it does not like that. Maybe if I try this. Oh. Come up. Equals. Let's try setting it manually. So if we go into the file storage, we will do this. New files. There should be player.get unique ID. That way, so we're setting it manually. We can then ensure that everything is working properly. Of course, we'll have to fix the override we just put in there. We're just trying to test this. That's all. And the config is loading, but it is not saving. So I will have to revisit the way I save everything on this file. This file manager I have is not going to work, which sucks, but nothing I can do about that. It's not going to save. Stack overflow error. It's nothing new. Yeah, this is a config issue. Oh, your mic is working now. I don't know, honestly. So, if I pull this over here, you can all see what I'm seeing on the console. As you see, we're getting tons of errors because it just cannot save to the file. Why? Well, because there's a Stack Overflow error. If we Google this error, let's see what it says. No termination condition. This is most common situation termed as unterminated or infinite recursion, whatever the fuck that word is. I believe this has something to do with the way the config is wrote in the API. Unless we could just type a return method. Actually, let's add a break. So we'll try that. We'll add a break. Return. There we go. Okay. So if we try it now, and if it saves the file, we'll return. If not, we'll just do system.out.print because I don't feel like looking through all these errors, and just say failed to save file. That way, so it's not spamming the console with all this. So if we try this again, and we reload, we put the chat back open here, and then we do the backpack. As you can see, it is reading everything properly. It's actually opening it twice, which should not be happening. That's just something on my side that I screwed up by mistake. I'm just gonna act like it's not wrong. It's probably a return method. Yes. Else we will do this. This way, so it's not doing it twice. That could also be one of our issues, by the way. I know the second we close this is going to cause issues. So if I close that, oh yes, still saying the same thing. How beautiful. So if we do /BP now after this reload is complete, still showing the thing twice. If we close it, yeah, it didn't even save any of our changes. It didn't do anything. So blah. It doesn't even tell me where exactly it's having issues. I'm just pretty much guessing at this point. Oh my god. Is this wrong? This is... Oh, god. Damn it. God damn it. I don't think it's supposed to say config. I don't think it's supposed to say config. Oh, where could all my... coding be? Oh boy, oh boy. If I could find one of the configs, it'd be nice. Where the hell do I save all these configs? I know I saved one here. I think. I need to find where it's doing it. What about the on command? No. Must be in the events. So, let's see. Why? Where the hell did I save these freaking events? The file storage? No. Target emote? Like, I need to find where the hell I'm saving all these. Maybe if I go to the leaderboard plugin. Leaderboard. Board. No, wrong one. Boards. Config that set. Oh. Oh. God damn it. God damn it. Okay. So, yeah. Small issue. Okay, so, if I type in item, and then it saves to the item, then it's saving the config properly, and it's not gonna give me issues. So, if I then remove this, because I don't need that anymore, and I don't think I need that, and if I just build this, no, not import, I need to export this, and I refresh Minecraft, and I properly save the fucking config, maybe, just maybe, it saves. God damn it. It is not saving, though. Yeah, actually, yes, it is saving. It is saving. But I don't think that is right. So what if I have multiple items? What if I just do this? And I reload? Yeah, that's not right, but we do have it saving now. So, yes, it was an issue on my side. God damn it. Oh, why? Why am I like this? Okay. I think we're going to have a part 2. Because the way I have everything coded right now, this is not going to work. I need to properly implement a way to save items. So I'll probably end up doing another live stream later today with everything properly being coded, and might have my developer beside me working with me. Thank you all for tuning into this live stream. I'm sad I couldn't get the plugin to properly work. We'll definitely get it to work, though. So thank you all for tuning into this live stream, and I'll see you all in the next live stream.